Want to program a key fob for your 2000 Toyota 4Runner? It's a simple process you can do yourself. No special tools are typically needed. First, make sure you have a compatible key fob, original or aftermarket, fresh batteries, CR 2025, and your ignition key. Ensure all doors are closed and unlocked. Ensure all doors are closed and unlocked. Then insert the key into the ignition and quickly cycle it from off to on 5 times within about 5 seconds for each step. Off, on, off, on, off. This should put the system into programming mode. You might see the dome light flash. Immediately press any button on the key fob within 10 seconds to program it. Repeat this for any additional fobs you want to program. Finally, exit the programming mode by turning the ignition to on or waiting 30 seconds. Remember, speed is crucial, and any delays may kick you out of programming mode. If the programming fails, don't worry. A common issue is a dead fob battery, so replace it first. Also, try disconnecting the vehicle's battery for 30 seconds to reset the system and then repeat the programming steps. If problems persist, there might be a faulty receiver module located in the driver's door or under the dash. While DIY programming is generally successful, be aware that the system overwrites old codes, so you'll need to reprogram all fobs at once. Aftermarket universal key fob programmers can simplify the process, but aren't necessary. Also, remember US regulations, e.g. FCC rules on remote frequencies, still allow DIY reprogramming for personal vehicles. If you're unsure or run into persistent issues, consider consulting a professional locksmith, but attempt the free DIY options first.